Hi there. Okay, so today we're looking at a blanket that I bought for our boat. And it's kind of an unboxing because I have not even unfolded it yet. I did take it out of the packaging. So here it is. It's folded. I have not done anything other than sort of touch the top because it's soft. So this is an Exclusivo Mezcla. Sorry, I'm reading my notes. Large flannel fleece throw blanket in the wave pattern. The color I got is Slate Blue. It is very soft. It is polyester, and I believe it was $12.99, very reasonably priced. I got the smallest size. There are 4 sizes available. There are 10 colors, and some of them prettier than others. I thought this one was really nice looking. It's really, really pretty in person, very soft, and it's for the boat. So it has this lovely wave pattern. So I'm very excited. So here we go. Unfolding, and we'll see how big it is and how thick it is. So this is not too bad. It's just a nice little throw blanket, and that was the whole point, was that when we're sitting on a deck chair on the boat on our Pacific Northwest summers, which can be cool, is that you have a little throw blanket you can throw around yourself and snuggle up. It's a little see-through. I can actually see light through it. So probably could be a little bit heavier, but I'm happy with it. It's soft, it's cushy, it's cozy, and I may get another one. So go on Amazon and check it out if you're interested. The links are below. They're anywhere between about $12.99, I think, to $24.99 for the different sizes of blankets. And it had pretty good reviews overall online. And if you like soft blankets, I think you'll like this one. Thanks!